In today's video, you'll learn how to make email links open in your default web browser from Outlook. This ensures that hyperlinks in emails always open where you expect, giving you a consistent and predictable experience. Start by opening Outlook and clicking the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view, where overall app settings are managed. From there, select Options on the left to open the Outlook Options window, which houses all configuration choices. In the Options window, go to Advanced in the left pane. This section contains many power user and application-wide preferences. Scroll down to File and Browser Preferences, which control how Outlook interacts with files and web content. Find the drop-down labeled Open Hyperlinks from Outlook in. This determines where links clicked in emails will open. Click it and select Default Browser. Doing so tells Outlook to open links using your operating system's default web browser, whether it's Edge, Chrome, Firefox, or another. If you later change your default browser, Outlook will follow that system setting automatically without needing further adjustment. After selecting Default Browser, click OK to save your changes and close the Options window. For the change to take full effect, restart Outlook. Close the app completely, then relaunch it and allow it to load fully. From now on, clicking hyperlinks in emails will open them in your system's default browser. If you're unsure which browser is set as default, check your operating system's settings. Aligning Outlook with your default browser streamlines your workflow, reduces unexpected behavior, and ensures web pages, shared links, and sign-ins always open where you intend. That's all it takes. By adjusting a single setting, Outlook now works seamlessly with your preferred browser, giving a smooth, consistent experience whenever you click email links.